Alright guys, welcome back. So customer states rear window only go down but it won't go up. So I'm going to show you a method how I fix it. I already fixed that side and the driver's side rear. So what it will do, it will go down but it won't go up. So let me show you what's going on here. So it will go down, you can see, but I try to get it up, nothing. So what I'll do, I spray some WD-40 inside the switch. See what I'm going to do. Just like that, guys. And I'm gonna play with the switch a few times to work in that WD-40 inside of it. Because most time it's just dirt or corrosion. So most I have to put in drink in here and the spill and get in the switch. So let's stop. Alright, so as you can see, going up guys, down, up, down, up, and there you go guys. So that's how simple it is to fix your rear window if it's not working. So that's some WD-40 and work the switch up and down, and there you go. So that's it guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.